we're shaving these tires, and look at this. I mean, we already shaved it here, but as you can see on the inner part, it was not wearing out. As you can see, the blade worked over here, but not here, meaning that this tire was like kind of like oval shape. As you can see, it got a little bit here, it shaved here. Look at this, it's very clear over here. So this tire is not gonna be rounded anymore. It's perfectly balanced. I mean, in terms of wear, it's smooth, round, and now we're gonna put it to the balancing machine, and it's gonna take way less ounces that it was taking.